Alright, in this video we're going to go over formatting an Alpha Broder pricing spreadsheet to where it can be used to build a catalog database file in ShopCal T8 MTS. Unlike the SanMar, it's a little bit more straightforward, but it still does have to have some tricks to it here. First thing you got up here at the top, you got this colored. Doesn't really make a difference one way or the other, but let's just go up in here and let's see. I'm gonna bring these closer together so we can get everything on the screen here. Now, we don't need case pack. We absolutely do not need it. So we're going to delete that. And we're going to delete that whole column there. We need price. And there's a couple other things that we need that we're going to put in here. I think the next one's category. Stop, cut, and find out. Okay, we got rid of the case pricing. We don't really need that. But over here we do need we're going to put in called category. Even though Alpha Broder does not provide us with one, the database still requires the field. Vendor, and we're going to take care of actually filling that in. Well, learn how to spell vendor here. We're going to fill that in over in the T8 Catalog, MTS Catalog builder. And the last one is year. Okay, so we've got that. Now we're going to have to do a little bit of relabeling here. We want to change this to just cost. Size is fine. Colors is fine. We're going to get rid of style on description. We want to get rid of the number sign after style there. We want to get rid of number sign after that and word catalog, just to have the page there. Now, when we come in, we see we have this column new. We don't want to delete that yet. We've got to pull a little other trick here. So what we're going to do is we're going to come here, select this whole column, select copy. Over here to the new column and go paste. So what we've basically done is made an exact duplicate of the style. Come in here and click on row 2 and then do insert. And what that's going to do is it's going to insert a blank row above. There again, we don't need to worry about the height, the color, anything else. Now, select on this first style right here, and column A, it'll be row 3. Select it, right click on there, and go down to delete. And it's going to ask you what you want to do, and what you want it to do is to shift cells up. So now we've done that. It doesn't look like you did anything, but if you look over here now, our M386T is across from the M386. So we have basically shifted this whole column up 1. Now we're going to come in here and we're going to type in start, and that is a notation, basically tells the program starting right here. Now there's one other thing that we need to do. We're going to come over, we're going to grab this, and we're going to zoom down. There's like 4,000 lines in this particular catalog. 4,000 something lines. And you see we're all the way down here at the bottom. 4,578 lines. Over the SanMar, if you watch that video, you'll notice that I'd stated that it uses the blank line to determine when it's to switch from one style to another style and start gathering information for that particular style. Alpha Broder does not do that. As you can see, everything is jammed tight together. So where it has the colors and the sizes separated, SanMar doesn't, but SanMar has other things. So they both have their own quirks. Anyway, so we're using this offset here. That's the reason for this offset. That's what's going to tell the program as it's running through this massive spreadsheet what belongs to what. And that's how it tells it when to say this has gathered all the information, write that to the database. When we get down here at the end, it needs to know it's at the end. And so I want you to type in the word Ivy. Okay? And you might ask, why Ivy? Well, Ivy was a cat that I had a long time ago that I loved dearly. So to honor her, he uses her name in here. That's basically all you need to do to this at this point here. Now what we're going to do is remember the CSV. We need to come here and save as. We can come over here and do this. It'll say other formats, or we can just click on save and tell it a CSV. But we're going to go here to other formats and come down here and select, and we're going to come down here and select the MS-DOS CSV. Don't do the Macintosh one. I don't know if it would affect anything or not. I'm just telling you, don't do it. So we got the MS-DOS CSV, and we want to save it as alpha. Okay? This is the only two files that the software is going to look for. It's going to look for the alpha format. It's going to look for the SanMar, and the name is going to be SanMar CSV and Alpha CSV. That's it. Right now, nothing else. Later down the road, maybe I might add another one in there if somebody wants to hand me the stuff, and a lot of people are using it. But trust me, guys, it's a lot of work for me to go in the back end and code this to make this real easy for you guys to do your own catalogs, because I know that's very important to everybody. So anyway, that's it on this one. We'll catch up on another one when we actually go show this in the catalog builder and how to utilize these files. Until next time, thank you for watching my videos, and more importantly, thank you if you're using my software.